Welcome to Learn Liberty.
Hey, let's play. Do you have a ball?
Yeah, it's in my hands.
Oops, you dropped it. You dropped the ball. Business English idiom. Drop the ball. Make a mistake. Miss an opportunity. In this video, we'll look at regrets in business. Should have. Shouldn't have.
Jeremy is looking for new customers. He finds customers and does business with them. But Jeremy has a problem. A hacker hacked into his computer and stole sensitive customer data from his hard drive. Jeremy didn't update his passwords. He didn't update his company's software either.
I should have changed my passwords. I should have updated my software. I really dropped the ball.
Jessica is a real estate agent. She makes a lot of phone calls to her clients. But she also calls her boyfriend a lot.
Hey, babe.
Excuse me, are you listening to us?
Yeah, just a second. I have to take this.
The man and woman decided to find another real estate agent.
Nice doing business with you.
Jessica should have paid attention to her client's needs, and she shouldn't have called her boyfriend during business meetings. Jessica dropped the ball. Did you ever drop the ball in business? Give us your answer in the comments with I should have or I shouldn't have.
Thanks for watching Learn Liberty. Please like and subscribe.